I'm a huge fan of my Diamondback HD tonneau cover, but I never really liked these big tie-down cleats that come with it. So I came up with a solution. I always thought these large tie-down cleats could use an improvement. So I designed these low-profile ones to replace them. They're designed to perfectly fit into the holes the other ones are removed from. As you can see, they're a little skinnier, but that allows for more space to run the straps through. It's also designed to reuse the factory hardware. You can use a 1/2-inch socket and a 3/16 Allen key to remove and install it. One of the things I don't like about these big cleats is when you use a regular tie-down strap, you can't really get the strap to go through the middle. So what I end up having to do is just hooking it like this, and then it can just fall off. With my updated low profile design, you can just hook it on, and then if it comes loose, it can't fall off. I also sometimes use these flat straps to go through. And as you can see, the width is not really there to allow it to sit flat. With the 3D printed tie downs, I can just push it through and tie it straight out, and it sits nice and flush. Here's an up close comparison of the size. You can see this is way smaller, but it still gives you a good place to tie down. And the strength of these things will mostly depend on what you print them out of and how you set up the print. I printed mine out of ASA. I did 4 wall layers with 0.2 layer heights, and I printed it on its side, so the bed would be down here. You can probably print it out of PETG if you don't have a heated bed. And if you want it to be even stronger, you can use some sort of carbon fiber or nylon reinforced plastics as well. If you're interested in downloading the model and printing your own, I will link my Cults page in the description below. Hopefully you guys found that useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.